Chinese automotive manufacturer GAC International plans to establish a vehicle assembly operation in Namibia, with the company saying it plans to enter the Namibian market before the end of 2026 as part of its expansion into Southern Africa. This was confirmed to NAMPA by the Deputy General Manager for GAC Africa Region, Jason Cow.
This iron we will bring to Namibia end of this year. They include ion ES, ion UT, ion Y, and ion V. This car is very competitive and valuable for local users. This year we already launched in South Africa first. The second step we will bring to Namibia. So it's very exciting and surreal that our GAC coming. So we welcome Namibia user to come to our showroom or office for discussing or talking.
The company's Ion brand is GAC's flagship's new energy vehicle marquee, specializing in full electric vehicles equipped with intelligent driving technologies, advanced battery systems, and connected digital features. Jason said Namibia has been identified as a strategic market and would serve as the company's first major expansion point in Southern Africa after its launch in South Africa earlier this year.
You know, Namibia is a very strategic market in southern part of Africa. So we will choose Namibia as our first stop in southern part of Africa. We will forge our brand as a high premium brand, and also bring the best experiences and service to Namibia users. And we will also launch the gasoline vehicle like GS3, GS4, Yingzhou, and M8, bigger MPV. So it's very thrilling. We will take at least 7 models to your markets.
The company also intends to produce petrol-powered models, including the GS3, GS4, and the M8 multi-purpose vehicle, bringing at least 7 vehicle models to the Namibian market. Speaking after touring the manufacturing facility, Minister of Industries, Mining and Energy Modestus Amtse welcomed the company's plans, saying Namibia's priority is to attract investment that promotes industrialization, technology transfer, and skills development. He said Namibia is seeking partnership that go beyond importing finished products. He added that President Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah's decision to start her visit in GUANGZHOU reflected the city's status as one of China's loading manufacturing and economic centers. Reporting for NAMPA News, Isabel Bento, GUANGZHOU, China.